Tips and tricks for better camping experiences. Enjoying the great outdoors on a camping trip can be a lot of fun for the whole family or just an individual alone looking for a little R&R. The following video is full of great advice you need to know to make your next camping trip easier, more convenient and especially, more enjoyable. Remember that everything you bring will get dirty on your trip. If you're prepared beforehand, then you won't be so stressed out when things start to get dirtier. Enjoy your time and don't afraid to be messy. You can always clean up, and be normal when you return home. Make sure that all of your friends and family are involved in choosing the camping site. This will make everyone feel invested. The United States offers so many choices that choosing one can be hard. It may be easier to choose a few front runners and have family members vote. When you are planning a camping adventure, make sure you pack the appropriate clothing for your trip. Check the weather forecast and bring the clothing that will be needed on your trip. If it is going to be cold, make sure you have the appropriate coats, gloves, and shoes. Remember to also pack a rain poncho no matter what the weather forecast predicts. Figure out your new gear before you go camping. The practice does really help. No one wants to get to the campground, only to find out that they don't know how to use something or set up their own tent. Practice with your new gear before you ever set foot on the campground. Before you start out on that relaxing camping trip, it is essential for your safety to make sure to let someone know you are going. Give a friend or neighbor the name of the campsite if you are using one. If you are headed out on a less structured trip, give your contact a general idea of where you are headed and a timeline for your return. If something goes wrong, there will be someone to know where to look for you. What better way to spend your hard-earned vacation time than a stay in the woods by a campfire? Hopefully this video has shown you new and better ways of dealing with all the little challenges posed by roughing it, and will make your next outing all the more fun. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.